Hey guys, how's it going? Let's talk about Village Farms earnings. So Village Farms earnings came in pretty good. For 3 months ending December 31st, 2020, sales came in at 47.4 million, $7 million of net income. Income per share was 12 cents. I don't know why the adjusted EBITDA was 0.5, but it is what it is. It just kind of makes no sense. Maybe depreciation and monetization and share-based compensation that made them have an adjusted EBITDA of 0.5 million. I still gotta look at the actual quarter report, but this is just the press release that they brought out. What is really impressive is the Pure Sunfarms on it by itself. That is really impressive. Pure Sunfarm did a total gross sale of 29.5 million, total net sales of 22.5 million, gross margins of 39%, and they came to a net income of 1.4 million, adjusted EBITDA of 3.1 million. So that is pretty impressive by itself, in my opinion. Nice gross margins, pulled out some profitability, so can't complain. I mean, I think Village Farms got a really good deal acquiring that company. They're a very low cost producer. The MJ kind of sucks though. It's kind of dry and doesn't really smell anything, and THC level is kind of low on it, but they grow it at a very low cost, so they sell it at a very low cost and still manages a gross margins of 39%, which is pretty good. And right now, people like cheap stuff, even though the quality is kind of low. That's just the way. Majority, there's like the enthusiasts out there that like the high quality premium, but most people, the general public, they like cheap MJ. They don't want to spend too much money on MJ. They want cheap product. As long as it gets them, that effect, they don't really care. Personally, I care. I would not buy Pure Sunfarms again, even though I'm a shareholder of Village Farms. So just saying, like I like quality. That's me though. So anyways, the earnings were not bad, but it didn't matter. The stock sold off because the entire MJ market sells off, and Village Farms connected to the MJ market. So Village Farms sold off. Canopy Growth sold off too. If Canopy bounces back, Village Farms will probably bounce back too, because rich people, they have their robots, and when the stock and the robots are connected to like all the MJ stocks. So if Canopy, Afria, OGI, and all those other companies start rising, Village Farms will rise too. And that's just how the markets work. So yeah, Afria is down right now, and if Afria bounces back, it will drag along Village Farms. For market cap wise, I think Village Farms is very undervalued. $1.22 billion. I think it deserves at least like a $2 to $3 billion market cap, in my opinion. But I don't decide on what the market cap is. Rich people do. Retail investors don't determine what the market cap is. Again, it's all on big money. So it is what it is. This stock will trade like all the other MJ stocks. One sell off, this one will sell off. If they all rally, this one will rally. It's just how the markets work. High Tide is also linked to the MJ market. If High Tide, if they all sell off, High Tide will be under pressure and probably sell off too. GTAC went all the way down to 82 cents today. could have been a really, I don't know if this is a buying opportunity or if this will continue to go down further, but so far it looks very bearish right now. I think, in my opinion, I think it's going to break the 80 cents barrier, and I think it's going to go to around 60, no, like 75, around 75 cents. So we'll see. I mean, Jeremy could change this around tonight by saying, oh, look at GTAC, buy, buy, buy. And then tomorrow the stock will bounce back. So we'll see what happens. Planet 13 is down 31 cents. Check is, I'm thinking of buying a little bit more. You know. I believe in this business. Once they get the pill, the CCAN pill, this thing should be worth in the billions, not the millions. So I think that this can easily 10x your money if they get the product. I think this thing can be easily worth $1 billion. If that happens, we're talking about $20, because this thing has about 46 million shares. So $20 would make it $1 billion market cap, and you would 10x your money at these prices. If you take the assumption that the C-scan gets approved and it's put into market, everyone will be using this kind of stuff. Nobody wants a tube stuck up their butt. Nobody wants to go through starvation to get their check, and everyone needs to get a check anyways. Like, they need to. It's like a necessary procedure that needs to happen. So if people can just like, oh, I can just take a pill and be good, everyone's gonna go for that option. I think that this company is severely undervalued, and the lower it goes, the more of an opportunity it becomes, in my opinion. So whatever, I'm probably gonna buy more. So that's my plan. Hold it for at least a year. So we'll see what happens. Lordstown down $1.03, 6.35%. Tesla had a big pullback, down $30.70. Short sellers been like, yes, thank you, keep going down, Tesla. NIO is down 75 cents. SOS pulled back hard today, but then is bouncing. Bitcoin, SOS will be determined on Bitcoin, but even though I really think that SOS should be like, you know, people should really ignore this company. It looks really shady in my opinion. I don't think rich money, big money really cares. They're gonna pump it with the rest of the other Bitcoin stocks. Like Mara, look at Mara. Mara fell 10%. SOS fell 11%. They are all linked. I bet you anything Riot is the same thing. It's probably down 10% too. Right? Blockchain, yep, down 10%. Bitfarms, PUT, probably not as bad as those two. They're not super linked. Oh, look. PUT is down almost 10%. Bitfarms is down 5.676%. So Bitfarms not taking as big as a hit, maybe because it's kind of undervalued. That's probably the reason why. Tattoo Chef is taking a hit today, down 3%. BNGO is also taking a hit, down 10%. Roblox is up 6.57%. QuantumScape is down $4.55, 7.26%. Not too much to say about that. I think this is overvalued, but you know they don't make any revenue, and they're valued at $21 billion. So, no, it is what it is. Anyways, that's it for my videos. Thanks for watching. Oh man, I only got like another 30 seconds to go. I don't know what else to talk about. How about Game? I don't think I pulled up Game yet. GameStop. Game took a big hit today, but is bouncing back. AMC is also the same thing. It took a big hit today, and it's kind of just trading sideways right now. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.